Hello my good friends, welcome back to Pinch's class, and I'm going to take you through another sound. And today I've come with sound E. Now sound E comes from letter I. Yes, sound E actually sounds like the sound E for letter E. Yes, but this one is also sound E. So let's look at the blends. We have B, D, F, G, H, G, K, L, M, N, P, R, C, T, V, W, Y, and Z. Yes, those are the blends. Now let's look at word formation. How do we form words using the sounds? So the first one is zip, and that gives us a zip. Then the next one is pin, and that gives us pin. Then the next one is tin, and that gives us a tin. Then the next one is ink, ink. Then the next one, insect, an insect. Then the next one and the last one, kid, a kid. A young one of a goat is known as a kid, though sometimes also called you kids. Okay, let's go to the sentences. My bag has 2 zips. My bag has 2 zips. And then the next one, a kid is a baby goat. A kid is a baby goat. Yes. Then the last one, the ink is in the tin. The ink is in the tin. Remember to practice sound E so that you become good at it. See you in our next video, and for now we're saying bye bye.